Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. If you guys haven't noticed, the bed's changed yet again. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope all has been well. If you guys haven't already noticed, the bed has changed yet again. If you guys follow my new Instagram, about a week ago on Thursday, I was over at Stellar Built in Sacramento. They did the install of the new GFC platform topper on the rig. Shoutouts to Sam, did a great quality job. This video is going to be brought to you guys by, of course, Trail Tacoma, GFC, as well as Stellar Built. So shoutouts to them. Today we're just going to be doing a quick walk around of the GFC topper. I'm going to go into more detail in a different video of why we went with the topper. Today is just going to be a full-on walk around. I'm going to shoot some specs to you guys and give you some information. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the features of the GFC platform topper. We're going to work our way outside, then go inside. I'll show you guys all the features, and yeah, let's get it. So I went with the green on green. Looks super mean, like a lima bean. Super nice. I'm glad I went with the green. It meshes very well with the truck. Usually people go with the black, but it looks really good. So starting off the video, we have 3 GFC beef rack crossbars. Each one of these crossbars holds 200 pounds of dynamic weight. So that just means that if you're moving, it holds 200 pounds of weight each crossbar. I went with the back window as well as the inside window. A couple reasons. I leave my dog back here a lot and I want to see what she's doing. And if I sleep in the rig, I want to know what's going on outside. If you want more security out of your GFC topper, you don't have to get these windows. You can get them flat aluminum, just like the side panels. So having all these open is what GFC would call cabana mode. This is where I'm probably going to be chilling most of the time when I am out. If anything, I got rid of the awning just because it looks a little bit cleaner without it. All of these doors have these super strong struts. The first time I got it, I got kind of scared because they just shoot your door open. They're stupid strong. So watch your face when you open this door for sure. So when you go get your topper installed, the first thing they're going to do is lay down some weather stripping here in the front and on the opposite side. That gives you the full all the way around bed weatherproofing. And on the back, there's also this weather stripping that runs all the way across the back window. This is all held in by these billet clamps here. Pretty big, beefy billet clamps. There's also weather stripping that runs across here on this bar. So when you close this door, it's also weatherproofed. Going along the whole outside, I think they call it the accessory halo. All the way across 360. I think even in the front. Yeah, even in the front. You can mount stuff to this bar. GFC sells the nuts specifically for this. So whatever you want to mount, awnings, lights, etc., you can mount it all on that halo. So each one of these panels are held in by 2 of these locks. Or just push and push. Turn the key, it's locked. When you buy your topper, they give you like 1,000 keys. So if you lose one, you'll have like 999 left. No joke. When they handed me the bag, I was kind of like, do all these do the same thing? Anyways, so you press these buttons and then you can pull them up. Easy as that. The top of the GFC is white, translucent. We'll go into that when we go inside the rig. Just wanted to show you guys what the top looks like. So I got the stroller in here. That's one of the main reasons why I had to go with the topper. But this is the basic structural of the inside. I could go into it, but it's past my pay grade. Just know that all this makes this topper really strong. Also on the front, I didn't get it wired yet, but there is a third brake light on the back door. Probably gonna wire that later today. We're in the inside of the topper now. As you can tell, the top is translucent. This is so midday. If you have all the doors closed, you can still see stuff inside of your bed. If you guys have ever had a topper that doesn't have any windows, it gets dark in here midday. These are the billet clamps that hold in your GFC. It's mounted to the bed rail. Pretty beefy. Also, I didn't clean the bed before I got the topper on, so it's super dirty. But everything in here is rated to be pressure washed. You don't have to worry about anything getting rusty or chipping off paint because you're pressure washing it. Everything in here is designed to be pressure washed. So something they implemented, I don't know how recently they did this, but they have these locks here. So if you're sleeping in your bed like I am, you lock all your doors, close them all, and even though that's locked on the outside and no one can get in from the outside, you can still get out of it. So here, once this back door is locked, you just pull down this lever as well as the one on the other side, and then you can get out of your back window even though it's locked. It's probably more of a thing for the camper guys, but I still sleep in my bed, so that's very, very helpful. And then along the whole back, all these little silver tabs here, those are all mounting points for mounting stuff, obviously. So whatever you want to mount up there, you can mount easily. I have a sale for the molly panel in the back. I kind of missed it, so that's going to be bare for a while until a maker can make that molly panel. And then I'll probably put a molly panel there when it comes to it. Another question that's been asked a lot this week is, did I have to go up in spring rate in the rear? I didn't. This topper is actually very light. It's like 135 pounds, so I didn't have to go up in spring rate in the rear. The springs I have right now are rated up to 200 constant, so I was good on that side. Aside from that, that's pretty much the walk around of the whole topper. It's a game changer for sure, at least for me. If you guys need technical specs, you could always hit them up on their website, email them, DM them on Instagram. They'll get back to you guys. Yeah, those technical specs are for them to answer you and for me to tell you that they work really, really well. Like this is a specific kind of hinge right here. I can't tell you what that is, but I can tell you that it works very well. So yeah, if you guys have more questions about the GFC topper, let me know. I'll get back to you guys. Leave them down in the comment section and I'll answer them as well as I can. If you guys like the new topper, like how this is going, make sure to hit that like button. And if you guys want to see more of this, because I'm going to do a lot more videos on this topper soon, stay tuned, hit that subscription button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace!